Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Exodus wallet. First, navigate to the official Exodus website and download the application for your operating system. It's crucial to only download from the official source to avoid malicious software. Once downloaded, you'll proceed with the installation process, which is straightforward. This initial step ensures you have a legitimate and secure version of the wallet on your device, ready for use. After downloading, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Exodus application. You'll immediately notice its clean and user-friendly interface, designed for easy navigation. Take a moment to explore the different sections, like your portfolio, exchange, and individual asset pages. This quick tour helps you understand where everything is located before you start adding funds. Security is paramount. The first step is to create a robust, unique password for your wallet. Next, Exodus will present you with a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate key to your funds. Write it down precisely and store it in a very safe, offline place, like a fireproof safe. Never share this phrase with anyone and do not store it digitally. Losing it means losing access to your assets. It's wise to regularly back up your wallet, especially after significant transactions or updates. Exodus makes this easy, often prompting you to confirm your recovery phrase. This practice reinforces your ability to restore your wallet if needed. Remember, your recovery phrase is the only way to regain access to your funds if your device is lost or damaged. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, please see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.